Did you know that 86% of Etsy sellers make less than $500 a year? That's right, all that SEO work for potentially minimal returns. Platforms like System.io are designed to help digital product creators maximize conversions. By using features like upselling and cross-selling, creators can boost conversion rates by up to 14% and increase average order values by 12%. Want to know how this system works and why I switched from Etsy? Keep watching as I break it down and show you how you can do it too. Hey guys, if you're new here, my name is Jo and I help creators with freelancing, passive income, and tech. Alright, so let me tell you a little story. Imagine me, it's 1 a.m. and I'm squinting at my laptop, wrestling with third-party tools to figure out what Etsy keywords are ranking. I've updated my keywords, tweaked my titles, reworked my tags like 100 times. And guess what? Still no sales worth celebrating. Sound familiar? Oh yeah, the Etsy SEO struggle is real, and honestly, it's exhausting. Sellers spend hours each week fine-tuning their listings, hoping to boost their visibility. But even experienced sellers often find themselves stumped by Etsy's ever-changing algorithm. When I first started selling digital products on Etsy, I thought I had it all figured out. My listings were keyword rich, I used the latest keyword tools, my titles and tags were catchy and they were on point. I tried hacks like listing 100 listings to make sure that I was having a strong SEO standpoint, but I still was hardly making sales to rave about. Etsy had either updated their algorithm or somehow had outranked me, and suddenly I was on page 500 and all my hard work seemed pointless. An Etsy search system or categorization for digital products has some strange limitations. It's like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. Digital products often get lost in the shuffle, buried under physical items, or misclassified in really bizarre categories. But here's the thing. There is a better way. Imagine a platform built specifically for digital product success. A place where your creations aren't buried or misclassified. A system that understands the unique needs of digital product sellers and helps you showcase your products effectively. Now I know what you're thinking. Sounds great, but does a platform like this really exist? But before we dive into that solution, let's take a closer look at why Etsy might not be the best fit for your digital goods. Oh, by the way, there are some free digital product resources in the comment section below of the video to help you get started selling digital products successfully, so make sure to check those out. Alright, let's talk about why Etsy might not be the best fit for your digital products. Despite its popularity, Etsy's structure can pose some unique challenges for digital creators like us. Remember how we talked about Etsy's roots? Well, that history impacts more than just its image. It affects everything from how products are displayed to the customer search for items. For digital creators, this can mean our products often get lost in the shuffle, hidden behind pages of physical goods. For example, if I search for a digital product like Squarespace templates, this is the category path that they are under. It first starts off with paper and party supplies, then goes to paper, stationery, design and templates, and then website, which is a bit weird. Now let's talk numbers. Those fees, dang. Sure, 20 cents to list a product sounds harmless, but once you stack that with a 6.5% transaction fee, their payment processing fees, and whatever else Etsy decides to just charge and sprinkle in there, it's like death by a thousand cuts. Suddenly that $10 download looks more like a $6 download, and that's not even talking about the time it takes to rank. Now all that doesn't sound like much, right? But if you've got a whole range of digital products, those fees can add up fast. Now you might be thinking, but what about all that Etsy traffic? It's such a big platform. And it's true, Etsy can bring in potential customers. But here's something interesting. Studies have shown that digital product sellers on Etsy often feel less satisfied compared to those using platforms built specifically for digital sales. It's like trying to sell ebooks at a farmer's market. You might make some sales, but you're not exactly in your element. So what's the solution? Imagine a platform that really gets digital products. A place where your digital goods aren't competing with physical items or others for attention. A system that lets you showcase your work in the best possible light without all those extra fees eating into your profits. Sounds pretty good, right? Well, that's where sales funnels come in. And let me tell you, discovering this approach was a total light bulb moment for me and my digital product business. Honestly, stumbling onto System.io felt like a real happy accident. I was this close to giving up on selling digital products altogether. Then during a digital marketing course, they mentioned this tool, and I had never heard of it. But the more I dug into it, the more it felt like it was made for me. It had a free plan, a drag and drop funnel builder, email marketing. I could create my own affiliate program. I was like, where has this been my whole life? And as I started exploring even more into System.io, my skepticism quickly turned into excitement. It was like discovering a true hidden gem. System.io seemed to be built for us specifically as digital product sellers, and there was even the chance to add an extra revenue stream through System.io's own affiliate program. A company that's sharing the profits with us, need I say more? It was everything I didn't know that I needed all in one place. And suddenly, I had a whole set of powerful tools at my fingertips, all in one place, and I hadn't even cracked the surface. System.io was solving all the major headaches that I'd faced with selling digital products. I could create tailored marketing strategies, offer instant delivery, and take control of my pricing and promotions. But I know you're probably wondering, well, how does it actually work? Well, let's break it down and take a closer look at the power of sales funnels for digital products. Think of sales funnels like your personal VIP shop. Instead of your products being shoved into a crowded marketplace, your funnel is a sleek, curated path that guides buyers straight to what they really need. No distractions and no competition. Now, here's why that matters for creatives like us. With a funnel, you're in control. You can craft a journey that speaks directly to your ideal customer, addressing their needs and showcasing your product's value every step of the way. Now let's talk about the real impact of funnels. They're not just about making more sales, they're about making bigger sales. With upselling and cross-selling opportunities built right in, you can easily increase your average order value. Imagine selling your main product, then offering a complimentary course or template as an add-on. It's like supercharging your income without doing any extra work. Platforms like System.io make creating funnels super duper easy. It's drag and drop, so you don't need to worry about any complicated tech stuff. Now, when I launched my first funnel, it wasn't perfect. In fact, it was actually kind of ugly, but it didn't matter because it worked. People bought my products and I got the data that I needed to improve. Ugly funnel 1, overwhelmed Etsy listing 0. Want to know how to get started with your own sales funnel? First, you're going to need to log into your System.io account and click on Create a New Funnel. You'll see different funnel types, but for selling digital products, go for the Sell funnel. That's literally all it takes to begin. System.io's interface makes customizing your funnels pages a breeze. You can move elements around with just a few clicks. It's like arranging furniture in a digital room, simple and intuitive. And one of the best things about System.io is it has a library of pre-built templates. These are professionally designed and ready to use. Just pick one you like and then tweak the colors, add your images, customize your text to match your brand, and then do any other changes that you want to do and you're ready to go. And if you're after something a little bit more specific or different, check out my freebies. I have a few different templates that I've designed to help you get started. Now here's a really cool feature, System.io's built-in affiliate program. This can help you expand your reach and potentially increase your sales. And you can easily set this up and start leveraging affiliate marketing power. All right, want some tips for your first funnel? Focus on creating a clear, compelling offer. Make your product's benefits stand out. Use strong calls to action throughout your funnel and always test everything before launching. Always. When you hit that publish button on your first funnel, it's a great feeling. You've just opened the doors to your very own digital store, designed exactly how you want it. And now that your funnel is up and running, it's time to get people to see it. Are you ready to learn how to drive traffic to your new digital funnel? Let's look at some effective strategies to get eyes on your offer and start making sales. Targeted traffic through content marketing. Here's the thing. You're in the driver's seat. With content marketing, you're not just relying on Etsy's algorithm to maybe show your listing. You're creating content that pulls the right people straight to your offers. It's like flipping the switch from hope mode to pro mode. And if you look at it this way, why would you spend all your time creating content directing it at Etsy, where people could easily get distracted by someone else's offer or ad? You want all that good targeted traffic that you're building and you've spent time on going to your offers and your offers alone. And when you do this, you're guiding interested people straight to your offers without any distractions. It's all about creating content that speaks to your audience's needs and pain points, sharing your expertise and providing value. Your content builds trust and positions yourself as an authority in your niche. And here's why this approach is so powerful. You're not just making sales, you're building a relationship with your audience. This leads to higher conversion rates, bigger average order values, and then repeat customers. Plus, you're keeping all your profits instead of losing a chunk to marketplace fees. The potential reach of your content is huge. With the right strategy, you can attract thousands of potential customers to your funnel. And if you want to maximize your content's impact and get paid to grow your fan base and make sales, launch a YouTube channel. It's the only platform that you get paid to create content on. You can make sales immediately from it as well, and your content's impact lasts a lifetime. The key is to focus on your strengths, where you feel comfortable, and knowing what your audience needs help with. Remember, every piece of content that you create is another opportunity to connect with potential customers and guide them to your offers. It's time to start building your own audience and take control of your digital product sales. By the way, if you're feeling inspired but a little overwhelmed, don't worry, I've got you. Check the description below for some free resources to help you sell digital products with confidence. Whether it's templates, checklists, or tools, I've made sure that you have everything that you need to really thrive. And now it's your turn to take that first step towards your own success story. Every digital creator started right where you are now. The only difference? They decided to take action. So why not explore the possibilities? So start building your first funnel, set up some email campaigns, create a YouTube video, and watch as your digital products find their perfect audience. Remember, your creativity deserves to shine, and your products deserve a platform where they can thrive. So why wait? Take that first step, because the only difference between where you are now and where you want to be is action. Who knows? You might surprise yourself with what you can achieve. And if you enjoyed my content today, please make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below of the video. I try to answer every single one of my questions and comments. And make sure to watch this video next to level up even further.